Welcome to a JR Organics. Today, we're diving into a topic that's especially important for those of us over 50. Let's talk about 3 fruits you might want to think twice about. First up, we have grapes. While they're delicious and convenient, they're also packed with sugar that can cause your blood sugar levels to spike quickly. It's a tasty treat, but moderation is key. Next on our list is fruit juice. Even if it's labeled as 100% juice, it often lacks the fiber found in whole fruits and is mostly just sugar. So, while it might seem like a healthy choice, it's best to enjoy it sparingly. And finally, let's discuss dried fruits like raisins and dates. They may seem like a healthy snack, but just a small handful can contain as much sugar as a soda. Instead, consider reaching for whole fruits like berries, apples, and pears. They're not only delicious but also packed with nutrients and fiber that can support your health. Thank you for joining us today. Remember, making informed choices is a step towards living naturally every day. If you found this helpful, don't forget to follow us for more tips from a JR Organics.